Hello guys, good morning. This is me Anand back again with a new video all the way from one of the best city or place to visit in New Hampshire. We are at Portsmouth and today we are going to do a quick walking tour of this place, and we are in the park right now. If you can see my background, hey, are you having fun here?
Yeah. This is a big giant fat fellow.
Oh, it's time to sit here. Come here. Yes.
How?
Yeah.
La 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 la.
You can go.
I can't.
So we just parked our car and it's time to go for a walking tour of the Portsmouth here. Look at me.
Simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. Too many problems, I'm already lost, yeah. Oh, baby, I do. I miss you too many nights. I miss your colorful lights. I think I love you too much. I miss your blueberry eyes. Fine. I play
Thank you guys for watching my video, and we had a really great walk all in the morning here in Portsmouth.
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
And what else?
Turn on the notifications and comment Team Kenzo.
Okay, thank you again guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.